Hey, welcome back to 2-Minute How-To. Real quick, I'm going to show you how to install a light bulb. You're going to need two things. The first thing you're going to need is a light bulb, and the second thing you're going to need is a place to put it. So let's get right to the video. Alright, as you can see here, I'm in my bathroom. I've got 3 lights. Got a vanity light set up here, and this light bulb is out. So what you want to do is you want to reach up in here, just like that, and unscrew that light bulb. There we go. Just like that. Alright, so we got the new light bulb. Let's go ahead and get it put in. Just remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, just like most things. And it should just come right on. There we go. We're good to go. And there you have it. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video.